Hi students, greetings of the day. Today I am going to introduce one of our students, Mr. Abhinay, who got All India top marks in CMA Foundation September 2021 results. He scored 378 marks, which are highest in the history of CMA Institute at foundation level, and also they are the top marks in the history of masterminds. And we are very proud and happy that our student created a new benchmark in the history of CMA Foundation examinations. And in this connection, let me tell you a very important thing that doing CMA along with CA is definitely a wise decision. Doing CMA along with CA will make your career more secure, more rewarding, and it will be helpful to you to reach greater heights in your career. And without waiting further, let us interact with Abhinay and try to know his success secrets and how he prepared for the CMA Foundation examinations. Hi, Abhinay. How are you?
Yes, sir. I am fine, sir.
Yeah. Abhinay, what is your full name?
I am Abhinay Mechineni.
Okay. And where do you come from?
I am from Ramanapalli, a remote village in Mahadevpur Mandal, forming a part of Jayashankar Bhupalpalli district, Telangana.
Very good. Abhinay, one very interesting question. What is the reaction of your parents when they come to know that you scored top marks, All India top marks in CMA Foundation examination? What is the reaction of your parents, family members, and friends?
When I conveyed my results to my parents, they were extremely happy and extremely overjoyed with my results, especially my mom. She was very much delighted. I felt like I was at the top of the world, and this was extremely a proud moment to me, sir.
Yeah, that's definitely a proudful moment to the parents when their child has achieved great things in life. Good. Abhinay, what is the role of teachers played in your success?
In my opinion, the role of teachers is completely eminent in preparation for any type of examinations because teachers acting in personal professional capacity, they are the one who actually guide to us our goals. Without teachers, I feel like it is just like an aimless arrow.
Yeah, fantastic. What is the role of masterminds uh, in your success, Abhinay?
In fact, without masterminds, I would have never known about this wonderful course CMA, and they are the one who actually advised me to pursue my CMA. And the quality of materials and the quality of teaching extremely helped me in preparation of for the examinations.
Yeah, very good, Abhinay. That's a fantastic answer. And Abhinay, what is the role of classroom coaching in your success? How do you think that the classroom coaching has contributed to your success?
Especially in the courses like professional courses like CA and CMA, classroom courses play a very important role because in classroom teachers doesn't tell only about our academic. They also share their personal experience, how to pursue, how to study, time management, the most important thing to be known. And I feel like classroom discussions are very much important and very much eminent in CA courses and CMA courses.
Yeah, that's a very good answer, Mr. Abhinay. And to whom do you want to give credit to this achievement, Abhinay?
First thing first, I like to give my credit to my parents because they are the one who actually made me to this level, and they remain as a constant source of inspiration and motivation to me, sir. And second, I want to thank my teachers for my success, sir, because they supported me very much in these hard times.
Yeah, very good, Mr. Abhinay. And one interesting question I want to ask you. How was the CMA foundation according to you? How do you feel? Was it really tough or easy?
Again, coming to the difficulty level of an examination, it is, I feel like it is a subjective topic and it differs according to your preparation or understanding or capabilities. But in my opinion, I felt like it was an easy examination with some good blend of conceptual understanding, theoretical and practical questions.
Yeah. So finally, you say that CMA examination is very easy.
Yes, sir, a little bit easy.
Yeah. Do you advise your juniors also to pursue CMA along with CA?
Yes, sir, definitely 100% sure because almost CA and CMA both have almost same similar syllabus with some little variations, and you can cover that variations with some minimum efforts, and it will give you a wonderful opportunities in your life.
Abhinay, according to you, what are the advantages of pursuing CMA along with CA?
As I said earlier, first thing is the career opportunities. Adding one more course to your resume makes it wonderful and attractive to anyone who hired you. Second thing, one more degree means one more feather to your cap, and it gives you enormous experience and specialization. And third thing, now the CMA courses have gained a lot of importance in recent times. Moreover, they have immense growth opportunities in government-backed PSUs and the manufacturing units.
Yeah, that's a very good analysis, Mr. Abhinay. And who advised you to pursue CMA along with CA?
As I said earlier, Masterminds is the one who advised me to pursue CA along with CMA.
Yeah. Abhinay, is it really tough to pursue CMA along with CA?
No, I don't feel, sir, because there is only little bit variation in the syllabus. You can easily cover that syllabus in the gap you get between the CA and CMA examinations with some little and minimum efforts. You can able to clear both the courses, and I feel like when you are unable to go through one course, you can use the other one to back you up.
Yeah, definitely. And coming to some basic questions, Mr. Abhinay, can you briefly explain about your schooling? Where did you finish your 10th class?
I finished my schooling in Good Morning Grammar High School, Mahadevpur. I say, in my opinion, it was a wonderful experience in that school. They focused on all-round development of students along with the academic. They also focused on extracurricular activities,
Yeah, that's
and
very
I
good.
really enjoyed a lot in this.
Yeah, that's a very good thing to hear. And how many marks did you score at your class 10?
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah. How many marks did you score at your class 10?
I have scored 9.8 in my class 10.
And coming to your intermediate, what is your group in intermediate?
I have done MEC, Maths, Economics, and Commerce in intermediate.
Yeah. In which college have you done your MEC?
I have done my MEC in Masterminds, Nizampet campus, Hyderabad.
Very good. And how many marks did you score at intermediate level?
I have scored 976 in aggregate in intermediate level.
And now coming to CMA Foundation, how many marks did you score in each of the subjects of CMA Foundation along with the total number of marks?
In aggregate, I have scored 378 marks in CMA Foundation. The breakup is as follows. First, paper 1, Economics and Management 96, paper 2, Accounts 96, paper 3, Law and Ethics 88, and paper 4, Mathematics 98.
Yeah, that's fantastic, Mr. Abhinay. And when did you start for preparing to CMA Foundation examination? And one more question, how many hours did you prepare for CMA Foundation examinations?
Actually, I started my preparation for CMA Foundation examinations after the completion of CA examinations, which was completed on 30th July. And I have taken 2 to 3 days of rest, and I immediately started preparation for CMA Foundation examinations. And as I said earlier, both CA and CMA course have majority of syllabus are same. So I first focused on the uncovered syllabus, which I used to study for first 10 to 15 days, and later I revised the syllabus along with the covered one in CA Foundation. And coming to the hours, number of hours I have studied, I generally doesn't make any timetable for my preparation because I just want to make clear that what is left to be studied. I prepare a notes to which to what to study. Then I come divide the work as per the my preparation. Then I prepare this work and attempt it.
Yeah, you have already told, but to be more precise, I'm asking you the question once again. What is a strategy or the study plan that you follow for CMA Foundation examination? Can you
That's-
elaborate on it?
The strategy is simple, sir. First, to cover the uncovered syllabus in CMA CA Foundation. Second, I strongly believe that when you divide something work, it will be quite useful to complete the work in given time because you will put some extra efforts in covering the work rather than allotting hours for completion of that particular topic. Then I used to completely focused on my uncovered syllabus. Later I used to revise it. Then I used to read the both covered and uncovered syllabus at a time because it will be quite useful for you before the day of examinations.
Yeah, that's a fantastic answer, Mr. Abhinay. And now coming to subject-wise preparation. So how did you prepare different subjects in CMA Foundation? Do you follow any separate strategy for accounts, economics, like that? Do you have any subject-wise strategy that you have followed?
Coming to subject wise preparation, in accounts you have cost accounting, which is not taught in CA Foundation. So I have prepared first cost accounting, and basically you should keep in your mind that when I have attempted it is an objective paper. So we should focus completely on the conceptual understanding because you cannot expect from where you will get the answer question in the examination. Later in law, there's a chapter called ethics. In that part, we should completely, it is a new syllabus to us. So you should completely focus on ethics. And paper 3 and paper 4, as usual, the same strategy I have followed in CA Foundation. I did the same.
Yeah. And I think you have also qualified CA Foundation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, with good number of marks. Now,
Yes,
are you pursuing CMA Inter along with CA Inter?
yes, sir. I'm pursuing CA Inter along with CMA Inter.
And when you are going to appear for CA Inter and CMA Inter exams?
I am going to appear the CA Inter examinations in May 2022 and CMF Inter examinations in June 2022.
Yeah. And where did you join for your CA Inter coaching, Mr. Abhinay?
I have joined Masterminds Amirpet campus for CA Inter coaching.
Yeah. So from intermediate, you have joined in Masterminds and you're pursuing your CA and CMA at Masterminds. Now, in your opinion, what is special about Masterminds? Why do you choose Masterminds for doing CA and CMA? Because there are many other institutes, many other academies that offer coaching for CA and CMA. So what made you to choose Masterminds apart from all those academies and institutes?
From childhood, I was very much interested in commerce. So after completion of 10th, I immediately decided to search about the top commerce institutions in our Telangana. Then there I found Masterminds. Then I did my own analysis of it. Then I came to know that it has some strategic advantages over other institutions because of its quality of material and the quality of education, academic schedule, especially the weekend exam and completion of syllabus. And fourth one is the study environment they provide for the preparation of examinations.
Yeah. And in your answer, you told that you like Masterminds materials. So do you really like Masterminds materials, and what is the special advantage that you find in Mastermind's materials when compared to materials of other institutes?
First thing, the quality of Mastermind's material is really magical. Mastermind materials are one-stop solution where you can find all the MTPs, RTPs, previous year question papers, and questions from study materials. It was very useful, and moreover, when you refer Mastermind's material completely, you need not refer other things from other sources, which is very much bonus for every student who prepare for examinations.
Yeah. Yeah, Abhinay, after completion of your CA Foundation and CMA Foundation, again, why do you choose Masterminds for your CMA Inter and CA Inter coaching?
The reason is simple. As I said earlier, it is very much good. Masterminds provides you very much good platform for your CA coaching and CMA coaching. And I really enjoyed my previous experience in studying in Masterminds. So I thought to continue it, and I joined Masterminds.
Yeah, that's very good, Mr. Abhinay. And one very interesting question, Mr. Abhinay. Courses like CA and CMA are a little bit tougher compared to conventional courses like BCom. But definitely they are easy when you compare to courses like medicine or civils or IIT. So what is your opinion on this? Do you concur with me?
Yes, sir. To be frank, there is not much variations in my answer too, sir, because CA and CMA are definitely going to be harder than the conventional courses like BCom or any other degree. But I feel there will be, or it will be some easier to pursue CA and CMA than IIT or NEET medical courses.
That's a very good answer. And generally, at Masterminds, we recommend students to join BCom along with CA or CME. So, have you joined BCom?
Yes, sir. I have joined BCom.
So, what is your advice to students on this? What advantage a student gets if he joins BCom along with CA and CMA courses?
When you do other courses along with CA and CMA, you should not be in wrong notion that there will be so much stress in preparation for all these different types of courses. The reason is simple that all these have majority of syllabus in same. So with
Informal.
little
Yeah.
efforts you can succeed in all these three. And always remember that knowledge is unlimited. We can gain knowledge from anywhere or any sources. So it will be quite useful for you to do BCom or any other conventional courses along with CA, which have same syllabus.
And also, if you pursue BCom along with CA, that will definitely act as a backup course, which will help you further in your career. Very good, Mr. Abhinay. And Abhinay, this is a very interesting and a very personal question to you. What do you want to become in life? What is your ambition?
In short run, I have to first qualify as a CA and a CMA. Late, I have dreams to be an entrepreneur, but at the end of the day, it all depends upon the situation in your future.
Yeah, very good. Thanks for your clarity, Mr. Abhinay, because you have a very good clarity. You have short-term goals and long-term goals. That's a fantastic thing. And Abhinay, one last question to you. What is your advice to the students who are planning to pursue CA and CMA courses at a time?
My advice is simple: stay focused, work hard, study hard, never change your attitude for any circumstances going around you. And the last thing is that perseverance. It is very much important in doing professional courses. I always believe in the saying of Jack Ma that today is hard, tomorrow will be harder, but the day after tomorrow is sunshine.
Very good. Fantastic, Mr. Abhinay. And thank you, Mr. Abhinay, for spending your time with us and interacting with us and uh, giving your valuable insights, which is very much helpful to many other aspirants. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, sir.
Abhinay, one more time.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Dear students, now you have seen a very interesting conversation with Mr. Abhinay. And here I wanted to tell you one very important thing, that generally we don't recommend any student to join in masterminds just by looking at our ranks, but look at the quality of coaching, the quality of materials, the strength of the academic program, in what way we conduct study hours and revision examinations, the pass percentage of our institute, the strength of our academic program, and above all, the experience and expertise that we have in professional courses like CA and CME. So, all the best to you. Thank you.